Would you like to discover little-known secrets that will allow you to completely crush branding, stand out, and make money leveraging the biggest social video platform while working as little as 30 minutes per day? Look, everybody knows there is a massive potential to cash in big on YouTube. No one can argue the fact that YouTube is a super powerful tool for marketers to build their own platform where they can engage with their audience, build strong relationships with their potential customers, generate massive amounts of traffic, and build a super attractive brand. The problem is, over the past couple of years, the platform has gotten incredibly crowded and extremely competitive. And taking advantage of this tool to the full extent has become not an easy task by any means. But imagine what it would be like to be able to tap into the horde of YouTube's traffic, build a massive audience, and get your products and services in front of tens of thousands of people without spending a single penny. I think you'll agree with me that YouTube marketing just cannot be ignored. And the only way to take full advantage of it is to find a way how you can stand out from the crowd and get your videos on top of the search results and in front of the right people. Because it doesn't matter whether you are using YouTube to promote affiliate offers, your own products or services, or even if you're just trying to grow your audience and expand your brand. If you can't get your videos to be seen, then it's all in vain. In other words, you have to develop a unique strategy that represents your brand. You have to find your unique hook and message that attracts people to your brand, which for most marketers can be a huge challenge, which is exactly why I decided to share my personal YouTube marketing strategies to help you crush branding, stand out in your niche, and skyrocket your business growth. Introducing YouTube Marketing Supremacy. Inside YouTube Marketing Supremacy, you will get everything you need to crush branding on social media, stand out and skyrocket your sales, and ultimately explode your business with these little-known bulletproof tactics. These YouTube marketing strategies that you'll discover inside are proven to work, totally ethical, 100% newbie friendly, and requires no more than 30 minutes per day. Now, you might be thinking that you've already seen similar products and methods in the past, or maybe even tried them yourself, and it didn't work out for you. But just before you draw any conclusions, I want to make it very clear that these strategies are like nothing you've ever seen before. Inside the step-by-step training, you'll discover how to leverage social media marketing to your advantage today, even if you're a total newbie and have no marketing experience. You'll also discover why these strategies are different and so much better and so much more effective than every other system that you might have tried in the past. But the absolute best part about YouTube Marketing Supremacy is that you can see results within a few hours from now. I'm talking about almost immediate influx of traffic, leads, and sales. So, to secure your copy of YouTube Marketing Supremacy, click the Buy Now button below, and you will get instant access to this amazing system. And I've got some more great news for you. When you get instant access to YouTube Marketing Supremacy today, you'll lock in a massive discount. Although we definitely plan to charge $97 or more for YouTube Marketing Supremacy Bundle in the near future, when you click the button below right now, you won't have to pay anywhere near that. But keep in mind, this discount is only available when you get this right now. If you wait and come back later, you could find yourself paying a lot more for access. Imagine what it will feel like to start flooding your blogs, funnels, and offers with unlimited traffic as soon as today. Not next week or next month. I'm talking right now. The training gives you already proven system for taking your YouTube marketing to a whole other level and getting immediate influx of unlimited traffic, leads, and sales. All you have to do is follow the steps laid out inside. If you can do that, you will start seeing results, even if you have never used YouTube in your business, or even if you tried but failed miserably before. So, if you're tired of working hard for traffic, leads, and sales, and you're looking for something different that's proven to work, YouTube Marketing Supremacy is for you. When you follow the simple step-by-step training inside YouTube Marketing Supremacy, you will definitely get results. So, lock in your massive discount and get access to YouTube Marketing Supremacy by clicking the buy button below now.